Hi everyone, let's make a ghost windsock today. In your kit, you will find 1 can, 10 strips of waterproof ribbon, a piece of rope, a paintbrush, and some black and white paint. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is paint the can white. It might be a good idea to do 2 coats. Now that the paint is dry, let's tie the rope around the top of the can. Let's use the black paint to make the face. To finish, let's glue the waterproof ribbon inside the can. Let it dry, then hang it and have fun. Bye.